Ask the leaders of industrial companies around the world about what keeps them up at night, and you'll hear the same thing. The nature of industrial work is changing, and changing fast. Companies are pushing to execute faster, be more nimble, and optimize performance in order to stay competitive and grow. That's where Corvex Connected comes in. Corvex Connected delivers a set of frontline tools and technologies that help teams quickly identify issues, analyze them, and take action. In Corvex-enabled companies, teams collaborate and work smarter to mitigate risks and improve operations at the front line, in real time, right where the work gets done. So what does it mean to be Corvex Connected? For starters, Corvex is a multilingual enterprise cloud software, IoT, and mobile solution platform. Machine learning and artificial intelligence make the tools smart. The intuitive technology is easy to install and implement. Frontline workers are quickly connected in real time to digital tools that enable them to be more engaged, intelligent, agile, and safe. Corvex tools create real-time transparency to frontline execution because you can't manage what you can't measure. Transparency drives accountability. Once issues and opportunities are identified at the front line, the Corvex Smart tools help teams collaboratively track, analyze, and position them for rapid resolution. Accountability drives action. Teams use the Corvex Smart tools to collaboratively solve problems, mitigate risk, and recognize opportunities in real time, tracking results as they go. And finally, all this positive action leads to rapid and continuous improvement. A connected and engaged workforce delivers real-time results in the form of measurable improvements in safety, productivity, quality, and sustainability. That's Corvex Connected in action.